Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, enable mobile data, confirm signal strength, and charge the phone to avoid drops. Next, connect the phone to your PC with a good USB cable. Make sure the phone unlocks and trust prompts are accepted. On the PC, open Device Manager and confirm drivers are present. Install drivers if missing. Once done, choose the tethering option on the phone so Windows can detect a new network interface and proceed to configure it. You now enable tethering. On Android, go to Hotspot and Tethering and toggle USB tethering. On iPhone, enable Personal Hotspot and connect via USB or Wi-Fi. If using USB, wait for Windows to identify the new Ethernet over USB adapter. For Wi-Fi, select the phone SSID and enter the hotspot password. Configure network sharing if you need other apps to access the internet. Make sure to disable VPNs on the phone if they block. You finish by confirming connectivity. Check that the PC got an IP via DHCP and then ping a public DNS like 8 to verify routing. Open a browser to load a site. If it fails, restart tethering on the phone and reconnect the USB. One key troubleshooting tip. Faulty cables or blocked USB ports are common. Swap the cable and try a different USB port. If problems persist, reboot both devices and make sure carrier tethering is allowed on your plan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.